this lesson, you will be learning about ethics, morals and stakeholders. I'd like you to complete the moral machine task. To do this, you will go to Google Classroom, click on the Classwork tab, go to the lesson titled Ethics, Morals and Stakeholders, click on the link titled Moral Machine, watch this video and follow the instructions below to complete the task. Pause this video now to do this. The big picture. Technology is consistently impacting our lives and generally making it better. But there is more to think about than just the product. Lesson objectives for today. Know what ethics, morals and stakeholders are. To be able to identify stakeholders. To be able to identify the benefits and drawbacks of using technology. Some of the key words you will learn about today are ethics, morals and stakeholders. You are now going to record your homework. Your homework is to complete revision notes for this lesson on the document titled How a Computer Works, Homework Term 3. A reminder, to find your homework, you will need to go to Google Classroom, under the Classwork tab, look for the title Homework, go down to Homework Introduction to Computing Term 3, load up the presentation and scroll down to the last slide to complete the last set of revision notes. I'd now like you to record your homework. Please pause this video to do this now. Next, I would like you to watch a few videos. The first video you will be watching is about different stakeholders. It is titled How Key Stakeholders Are Affected by Technologies. Pause this video now to watch the video about stakeholders. Okay, I'd now like you to watch two more videos. The next video I'd like you to watch is Moral, Social and Ethical Issues Part 1. After you've watched this video, I'd then like you to move on to watch the video titled Moral, Social and Ethical Issues Part 2. Pause this video now to do this. Right, I'd now like you to make sure that you have loaded the lesson PowerPoint. This is titled Ethics, Morals and Stakeholders and it's a Google Slides document. If you scroll down to slide number 8, present the slide and watch the video about a Google car. Pause my video to do this. I'd now like you to go to the lesson worksheet. To do this, you will need to go to the lesson for Ethics, Morals and Stakeholders, click on Lesson 5 worksheet and complete Task 1 to answer the questions about the video that you've just watched. Pause this video to do this. I'd now like you to move on to the second part of Task 1, which is social media, and answer these questions on the worksheet. Once you've done this, I'd like you to move on to Task 2 and answer the questions about what is a stakeholder, what are ethics, and what are morals. Pause this video to do this. Your next task would be to click on the link called Ancestry DNA Kit. Now this website is used to reveal your heritage using your blood test. What I'd like you to do is have a look at this website and consider the moral, ethical issues associated with this website and answer the questions below. So think about who the stakeholders are, what interest each of the stakeholders would have, and complete these questions below. Pause this video now to do this. Right, once you've done this, we're going to move on to the extension activity for those of you that have time. The extension activity is located at the bottom of your worksheet and only complete this if you have enough time. Once you've done this, we can move on to the plenary. I'd like you to think about what are ethics, morals and stakeholders. Who were the stakeholders that you identified? What were the issues related to the technology? Once you've completed all the tasks on the worksheet, remember to hand in your worksheet.